Dear students, in this video, I will explain you the calculation of theoretical yield, practical yield and percentage yield, and these things are part of your practical paper 306. Now as you know that mainly in a practical you have three different practicals: organic practicals, inorganic practicals and physical practicals. Particularly in organic practicals, there are three type of exercises are there. There are three estimations, there are five preparations and one chromatography. Now what is organic preparation? Because that is a new portion for you. Friends, since 12th standard you used to write conversions. For example, preparation of chlorobenzene is from benzene. So that is nothing but the organic preparation. And in organic preparation, today I will explain, as I told you, the meaning of theoretical yield and practical yield and percentage yield. This is first exercise in your syllabus, preparation of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. As you can see in this slide, acetanilide, which is your starting material, whenever we carry out its nitration in presence of concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, so nitro group is introduced. This is a nitration. Anilide group is a para-directive. So as a product we are getting para-nitroacetanilide. Friends, every time equations are written in terms of moles, so we can read this equation as 1 mole acetanilide gives us 1 mole para-nitroacetanilide. મિત્રો સમીકરણ છે ને હંમેશા મોલમાં લખેલા હોય છે, એટલે આ પ્રક્રિયાને આપણે એવી રીતે વાંચી શકાય કે 1 મોલ એસિટાનિલાઇડમાંથી આપણને 1 મોલ પેરાનાઇટ્રો એસિટાનિલાઇડ નિપજ મળે છે. બટ 1 મોલ ઇઝ વોટ? 1 mole means weight of the molecular weight. So 1 mole acetanilide means its molecular weight 135 gram per mole, and molecular weight of para-nitroacetanilide, our product, is 180 gram per mole. So in other words, we can also say that 135 gram acetanilide, when undergoes nitration, we are getting 180 gram para-nitroacetanilide. So now how to calculate theoretical yield? સૈદ્ધાંતિક નિપજને કેવી રીતે ગણવી? Friends, in this practical, actually you are performing the practical by taking acetanilide only 3 grams. આપણે સમજ્યા કે 135 ગ્રામ લઈએ તો આપણને 180 ગ્રામ મળે, પણ પ્રેક્ટિકલ તમે માત્ર 3 ગ્રામ એસિટેનિલાઇડ લઈને કરો છો. So it is a simple mathematics calculation of theoretical yield. 135 gram acetanilide if give you 180 gram para-nitroacetanilide, but you have taken 3 grams. So how much product you should obtain? Simple math. 135 gram give you 180. So how much from the 3 grams? So it's a cross multiplication of 180 into 3 upon 135. That is a 4 gram. So like we say, 135 gram should give us 180 gram product. 3 gram acetanilide should give us 4 gram para-nitroacetanilide. So friends, this 4 gram is called our theoretical yield. જેમ આપણે જોયું કે 135 ગ્રામમાંથી આપણને 180 ગ્રામ નિપજ મળે, પણ આપણે પ્રેક્ટિકલ 3 ગ્રામ લઈને કરીએ છે, તો એકદમ સાદી ગણતરી પ્રમાણે ત્રિરાશી મૂકીએ તો આપણને 4 ગ્રામ સૈદ્ધાંતિક નિપજ મળવી જોઈએ. Now suppose you perform the exercise and instead of this 4 gram, suppose we are getting 3.2 grams as I have written here. માનો કે આપણને અહીંયા 3.2 ગ્રામ નિપજ મળે છે. So it will called our practical yield. એને આપણી પ્રાયોગિક નિપજ કહેવાય. 4 ગ્રામ સૈદ્ધાંતિક નિપજ મળવી જોઈતી હતી, પણ આપણને 3.2 ગ્રામ પ્રેક્ટિકલ પ્રાયોગિક નિપજ મળે છે. So friends, from this we can calculate percentage yield. What is our percentage yield? Percentage yield is can be calculated from this formula: practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. What is our practical yield? 3.2 gram. What is the theoretical yield? 4 grams. So 3.2 divided by 4 into 100. So we can say that we are getting 80% yield. If we could have get the 4 grams, then we'll say we are getting 100%. But as we are getting the 3.2 grams, so we can say that we are getting 80% percentage yield. So friends, this is the way in the experiment of preparation we can calculate theoretical yield. Whatever the product we are getting, that is called our practical yield, and from these two we can calculate our percentage yield. Now one more exercise in your curriculum, that is called preparation of dibenzyl propanone from benzaldehyde. So you can see in the slide that your starting material is a benzaldehyde. It react with the 2 moles of benzaldehyde react with the acetone in the presence of lithium hydroxide hydrate. Solvent is the ethanol. You can see that acetone molecule is this portion, and both the side benzyl group get attached, and as a result we are getting dibenzyl propanone. Now molecular weight of benzaldehyde is 106 grams, but as we are taking 2 moles, so 2 into 106, that is 212 grams benzaldehyde. If taken, as it is giving us 1 mole of dibenzyl propanone, so molecular weight of dibenzyl propanone is 234 grams. મિત્રો 2 મોલ બેન્ઝાલ્ડીહાઇડની પ્રક્રિયા 1 મોલ એસિટોન સાથે લિથિયમ હાઇડ્રોક્સાઇડ હાઇડ્રેટ અને ઇથેનોલ સાથે કરવાથી 1 મોલ ડાયબેન્ઝાલ પ્રોપેનોન મળે છે. બેન્ઝાલ્ડીહાઇડનો અણુભાર 106 ગ્રામ છે, 2 મોલ છે માટે 212 ગણ્યા, અને એમાંથી આપણને 1 મોલ ડાયબેન્ઝાલ પ્રોપેનોન, તમે બધાનું જો અણુભાર ગણો પરમાણુભારનો ઉપયોગ કરીને તો 234 ગ્રામ મળે છે. તો આપણી પાસે એક સંબંધ આવ્યો કે 212 ગ્રામ બેન્ઝાલ્ડીહાઇડમાંથી આપણને ડાયબેન્ઝાલ પ્રોપેનોન કેટલો મળે છે? તો 234 ગ્રામ મળે છે. પરંતુ આ પ્રયોગ આપણે જ્યારે કરીએ, whenever we perform this experiment, actually benzaldehyde is a liquid and we take only 2.3 ml benzaldehyde. So we cannot use this relation because this relationship is in terms of grams. 212 grams would give you 234 grams, but you are taking benzaldehyde in a ml, 2.3 ml. So you cannot calculate directly that 212 gram if give you 234 grams, then how much from the 2.3 ml? એવી સિધી ગણતરી કરી શકાય નહીં, કારણ કે તમારી પાસે જે રિલેશન છે એ ગ્રામમાં છે અને તમે જે ક્વોન્ટિટી લો છો એ mlમાં છે. તો એવા વખતે શું કરવું? સો we can convert volume into grams with the use of density. See, density of benzaldehyde, which is known, it is 1.045 gram per mole. 1 ml benzaldehyde નું ગ્રામમાં વજન 1.045 છે. Now we know the formula of density. Density is a mass upon volume. What is density, friends? You can see in the slide that 1.045. We want to calculate mass. So we have volume 2.3. So to calculate mass, mass is density into volume, that is 2.3 into 1.045. So 2.4 gram is the mass of the 2.3 ml benzaldehyde. So friends, with the help of density, we just convert 2.3 ml into 2.4 gram. મિત્રો આગળ સમજાવ્યું એ પ્રમાણે આપણે ગ્રામ અને mlમાં ગણતરી ના કરી શકીએ, એટલે ઘનતાના ઉપયોગથી 2.3 ml જે બેન્ઝાલ્ડીહાઇડ હતું એ વોલ્યુમ હતું એને એની ઘનતા 1.045 ગુણ્યા એટલે આપણને 2.4 ગ્રામ એનું વજન મળ્યું. એટલે માત્ર આપણે ડેન્સિટીથી આપણે એને કન્વર્ટ કર્યા છે. Now we can calculate theoretical yield. Now we can say that from the 212 grams, if you are getting 234, so how much from the 2.4 grams? And that is 2.65 grams. So our theoretical yield in this practical would be 2.65. Suppose, as I shown in the figure, let us assume that at the end of your practical you are getting product 1.9 grams. Friends, 2.65 grams if we obtain, then we can say that yes, we are getting 100 grams. So how will you calculate percentage yield? Do you remember the formula? Formula is your practical yield divided by your theoretical yield multiply 100. Our practical yield is 1.9 grams, theoretical yield is 2.65 into 100, you are getting 71.69, that is roughly 72. So we can say that our practical yield is 72%. So in this video, friends, let us summarize everything. How to calculate theoretical yield? The product which you are getting, that is nothing but your practical yield, and by using the two values we can calculate the percentage yield. And most important thing is, whenever your starting material is, if it is a liquid, so instead of weight you will have its ml, volume. So by using density you can convert that volume into its mass. As I told you earlier, friends, there are 5 preparation is in your curriculum in the Gujarat University. So I hope you understand how to calculate theoretical yield, practical yield and percentage yield. Thank you.